Happy Independence Day, everyone. I am Godzilla, here with another video. I know that many people like trains, so I figured, why not make a video talking about trains, what they do, how they work, and how to stay safe around them. Before I continue, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on a new video. We've got a lot of track to cover, so all aboard! No, I know you're just doing this on purpose. Really? How many times are we going to go through with this? This rivalry is stupid. Can't we just be friends? When pigs fly. Actually, I knew a pig who was a pilot. No, you didn't. Anyways, at least my breath doesn't smell like nuclear radiation. I mean, that is all you eat. That does it! Well, guys, calm down. Kong, maybe he has a point. I mean, you have been pretty hard on him since your battle in Hong Kong. Maybe you guys should just settle down and set aside your differences and become friends. You too now, Gorsaur? Ugh. What? No, I only meant... Kong, wait. Okay. Hans, can you turn me back to the camera? Sure thing. Thank you, Hans. You really come in handy sometimes. I shouldn't be surprised by these puns. So, the first thing you might recognize about a train is its whistle. Hans, can you bring out the whistles? Okay. Alright, play them. If you say so. Oops. Did you just rickroll the viewers? Never do that again! Speaking of which, that song belongs to Rick Astley. And I respect you. Alright, our guest should be arriving soon. Ooh, here he comes now. Hey, Casey Jr. How are things? Pretty good. I brought some friends with me. Hey, who's touching me? That's Hans. He has big hands. I should have known. Anyway, I've got some friends with me. Can they be in the video too? I don't see why not. Great. Oh, here comes Edward. There's Eddie. Hey, what's up? We were so excited to be in the video. We just couldn't wait. Great, now we can get started. Now I'm sure you know what Edward and CJ are. They are steam locomotives, though one is older than the other. Hey, let me show you how it works. Them. Sorry. This is Casey Jr.'s tender. He uses it for carrying water and fuel. Casey Jr. uses coal. Though sometimes trains use oil, charcoal, or wood. I'm planning on building a steam locomotive, and I think I'll have it run on propane. Propane? That's actually a good idea. Very environment friendly. Edward and Casey run on coal, and that fuel, whatever it is put into the firebox. Usually a great big firebox right there. And it's soon heated up under the boiler. That long pipe there. And all that water evaporates and then condenses into steam. Condenses? Turns from a gas into a liquid. I learned it in school. Oh. And that steam is then put into the dome, which is right there. And the steam is soon pumped through the pipes into the big pressure chambers. And the pressure drives the big levers, boom, 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 that turns the wheels and makes the locomotive move. Like that. It wasn't all that long ago when then steam engines ruled the rails. Uh-oh. What is it? I have to sneeze. Oh dear. He's gonna blow. Hit the dirt. Ugh. Sorry guys, I couldn't hold it in. How do you stifle a sneeze anyway? I don't know. Gesundheit, by the way. Let's continue the video, okay? Sure. Now, diesels look a lot differently than steam locomotives, and work differently too. Over here is a big diesel engine with how many cylinders? I think mine has 20. 20 great big cylinders. Awesome. That causes a shaft to turn, which runs a turbine. Now the turbine is located behind the cab. It's a huge generator. It generates electricity, and that electricity is put to motors in between the wheels, and they turn the wheels and make the locomotive move. But you might be wondering, well, if that's how trains move, how do they stop? Well, I'll show you. On the sides or fronts of steam locomotives, and usually at the back of diesel locomotives, are huge air compressors. All the brakes on the locomotives and on the cars that we pull are powered by air pressure. That's right, Casey Jr. So, when the engineer pulls the brake lever, something pumps the air pumps, and it creates air pressure, and that air pressure is put into brake cylinders. Here's a brake cylinder on Ed's wheels. So, the air is pumped in, pushes that lever, and it causes the brake blocks to clamp down on the wheels and slow the train down. But there is one problem. Wheel slip. Yep. That's why there is a sandbox on locomotives, and a pipe by the wheels that squirts sand onto the tracks and gives the train traction. It provides friction for getting up steep hills and on icy tracks. Hey Godzilla, I brought some passenger cars. Why don't we show the viewers? Sure. These cars are called passenger cars. They're used during passenger trains. Passenger trains are basically a big hotel on wheels. It's got sleeper compartments, a restaurant on board, and of course, a big engine that pulls the train. Well, big is relative. The locomotives are attached to the front of the train and pull it. Wait, I've seen some trains that were going in the wrong direction, with the engine in the back and nothing in the front. Well, Bruce, what's in the front is a cab control car. It's basically all set up similar to the inside of the locomotive. That's where the engineer sits, and even though the train is on the back pushing, well, the locomotive actually, the engineer actually controls the train from the cab car control room, which is set up pretty simply. Okay. Bye. Godzilla, I am afraid me and my pals have to go back to Strasbourg. Really? Yeah, there is work to be done. Okay. See you later. Thanks for the help, Hans. No problem. Ow. I'm okay. Somebody get a crane. I'm on it. Welp. See ya, Godzilla. Bye, Casey Jr. Welp, that's all, folks. If you want to know more about trains, please go check out There Goes a Train or I Love Toy Trains videos. They are the best. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and share it with a friend. But hey, don't go away yet. Please click the like button to subscribe to get more video notifications. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.